Okay, I'm pretty excited to show you this one. This is A Song Without Words by Rachmaninoff. It's a piece that he wrote when he was just a 14-year-old lad, if you can imagine. And what makes it special, outside the fact that he was so young when he wrote it, is that it's fairly accessible. Most of his music is generally reserved for veteran piano players because it's so dense, it's so difficult. But this is an exception. So with this piece, you're given a window into his compositional style, his signature, his world, before he fully matured into the composer that he ended up being. And still, his style is very much here. Even as a 14-year-old, you can hear it's very much Rachmaninoff's music. So I'll go ahead and play this piece. I just discovered this piece a couple of weeks ago, so I'm sure this is going to be very new to a lot of you. And I think you're going to like it. Okay, here's the first 15, 20 seconds of it, and then I'll teach you how to play the whole thing. Here's what it sounds like. This is where I'll stop. Okay, so this should be a lot of fun to teach. But before I do, please consider hitting that little notification bell. You'll be notified whenever there's anything new that comes out on the channel, classical or film. And it also lets the YouTube algorithm know that you find this content worthwhile, worth your time. All right, we'll begin with the easy stuff first, left hand. We start with an octave D. Hold the bottom one and replay the top. We'll do the rhythm in a bit, but start with just the notes and fingering. Next, let go of the bottom. Second finger on D flat. And go all the way down to the bottom D. That's going to hold for a while. And then a thumb on C. Easy enough. With the counting, it'll be something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not too bad. Now the right hand. This piece has a string of triplets that carry throughout the piece. It's unceasing all the way to the end. So it's something to keep in mind. Triplet just means there's 3 notes per beat. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. That's all. So what we have here, since it is a song without words, we have a melody above. That's the A. And a kind of ostinato triplet figure in the middle. That sort of carries. So obviously we're going to be voicing the top more than the middle. We want that top to be a little bit louder than everything else. Right hand, notes and fingering first. Here we go. 4 and 2, and we have the triplet beneath it as the top is held. So we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Moving on. 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Cool. Put that together. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So as you can see, we're just alternating between the thumb and the second finger in the middle here. For the whole bar. Okay, with put it together, we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Moving on. So we're going to have in the right hand is this 2, 3, and 5, because once we finish this triplet in the previous bar, we're going to use that as a kind of pivot point and land on 2, 3, and 5, and hold that top pinky and then begin the triplets between 3 and 1. I'll count that out for you. We have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. It's pretty intuitive, right? It's just seesawing back and forth. So with both hands, we'll have a long D in the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. And that's where the hands come together on the 2 thumbs, C and D. On beat 4, 4, 2, 3. Pedaling is pretty straightforward. Let me just dictate what happens. We have the pedal begins down. 1, 2, 3, 2. Change here. And then we have another change in the next bar. And a few more there. But I'll continue this on the website. Come and join me and finish off this whole thing. It's just 1 page long, but it is actually an extremely good exercise for fingering, because you need a very specific kind of fingering to pull this off in a comfortable and fluid way. And it's not something that might be particularly, intuitive. So I've devised a really nice fingering for this piece that'll make your life initially a little trickier because it's not intuitive, but later on much easier when you perform this piece. Let's finish this off. Okay, I'll see you out there.